In this video, we are going to see and resolve this issue that whenever you are trying to run the Windows Network Diagnostic, you might come across this error after the troubleshooting has completed. It says problems found, security or firewall settings might be blocking the connection, and you need to resolve this. So here is what you can do. First of all, just open up the control panel right here in the start menu, control panel. Open this up, and on the right hand side, if you are in the category view, just change this to large icons. And once you do that, you click on the Windows Defender Firewall, and on the left hand side we have the restore defaults option. Just click on that and click on restore defaults. Click yes, and after that, before even restarting, just open the start menu and right here CMD. It's preferred to right click and click on run as administrator so that we don't face any kind of problem. Click yes on the prompt, and after that, just right here ipconfig and give a space and then forward slash, just write flush DNS, and flush DNS should be one word. Let me just zoom it a little bit for you so that you can see it clearly. You need to write it in the same format. ipconfig, give a space, forward slash, then flush DNS, hit enter, and it says Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And after that, you need to write here net sh, give a space and just write winsock, give a space again, and just write reset and hit enter, and it should be able to complete this reset process successfully. And it will also show you the message that you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So after that, just try restarting your PC, and hopefully after restarting the system, your problem should be resolved. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.